swak na kikiligin. Alam mo bang tinititigan ko litrato mo na nakatago pa rin sa aking telepono. Kaya huwag kang magamba, aalayan kita ng paborito mo pagkain at sasabihin na tanging ikaw lang naman ang dahilan ko. Bakit nagkaganto? Di ba sabi mo sa'kin hindi mo makaya? Natatakot na magkaikayakin lang na masaktan. Huwag kang mag-alala, dito lang naman ako na hindi mapagbigyan. Lagi naghihintay kung kailan mo kailan ako di na magustuhan.
Baby girl, don't you worry, I'll be here in need something like funny just to be with you always. Makes me happy, nothing gonna stop me. Even if the girl see you my way, looking at your eyes, I'm so in love. Can we get memories, two of us? I know how can I be with you if you're not sure for attention. Oh baby, I'll give you anything, so please stay. Just get